Ever wonder about hidden patterns in math? Well, today, we're going to find one you can actually build.
So here's a question. Can you use any number of blocks to build a perfect cube? Remember, a perfect cube needs equal sides, right? Length, width, and height all the same. Let's build. Okay, let's start simple. What about just one block?
And boom! Right away, it works. A perfect 1 by 1 by 1 cube.
Okay, so what about 2 blocks? Can we make a perfect cube with 2?
Nope, it doesn't work. There's just no way to get those equal sides.
All right, 2 is a bust. How about 3? Let's give it a shot.
Still no good. And it turns out 4, 5, 6, and 7 don't work either.
But wait, what about 8? Something feels different about this one.
Yes, it works. 8 blocks make a perfect 2 by 2 by 2 cube. We found another one.
Okay, see that? 1 and 8 both work. I think we're onto a pattern here.
The numbers that actually work are 1, 8, 27, 64, and the list goes on. So here's the secret. Each number is a whole number multiplied by itself 3 times.
And these special numbers have a name. You guessed it, cube numbers.
So you don't even need blocks. For 27, it's a yes. For 20, it's a no. So why should you care? Well, it's not just about blocks. This is huge in math. This is key for understanding things like volume, 3D space, and even algebra later on.
So now that you've seen this one, what other amazing patterns can you find in the world?